ch sound. The ch sound can occur at the beginning of the word and can be spelled by the letter k, h, like in the word cha, or spelled by the letter t, r, like in the word cha, or it can occur at the end of the word, like in the word ik. But I want to say that when the ch sound occurs at the end of the word, it's pronounced quite a bit different. I'm going to talk about the ch ending on the second part of this video. Now let's see how to pronounce the ch sound when it occurs at the beginning of the word. The tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge to stop the airflow, then pull the tongue back to release it. Your tongue must be relaxed. Stop the airflow with the tip of your tongue, then release it over the tongue with audible friction to make the airstream. Open your mouth slightly. Keep the lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the ch sound, that it is a voiceless sound, so you don't have to vibrate your vocal cords. Now let's try to say the sound. Ch, 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 cha, cha. Now let's try to say some words with the ch sound. Cho, chú, chó, chở, chân, chín, chua, chùa, chiều, che, chí, trêu, chưa, trên, trộm, trong, trăng, trứng, trưởng, chuồn chuồn, chùa chiền, chinh chiến, chậm chạp, trân trọng, trong trắng, chiến trường. Now let's talk about the ch endings. To pronounce the ch ending, tense your tongue and put it a little bit forward. The body of the tongue touches the hard palate. The tip of your tongue touches or placed right behind the upper teeth. Now let's talk about the airstream. Stop the airflow with the tip of your tongue and don't release the airstream. Open your mouth slightly. Keep the lips relaxed. And the ch ending is a voiceless sound, so you don't have to vibrate your vocal cords. There is one thing I want to say about the ch ending, that the ch sound makes the vowels that is in front of them sound a little bit shorter. For example, here I have the word ik. So see that in general, the a sound is a long sound, but in this case, the a sound is a short sound, and the ch sound is a short sound. So you have to shorten the vowel that is in front of the ch sound, like in the word ik. Ách, mách, tách, lịch, phích, chích, lạch, thách, tách, bạch, chiến, trộm, chín, quả, trứng, chú bách, trân trọng, khách hàng. The sound. The sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word khó. Now let's see how to pronounce the sound. The back of the tongue is raised high, but doesn't touch the soft palate. Tense your tongue. The sound is an aspirated sound, so you have to release a light stream of air, making very little friction between the vocal cords. Open your mouth slightly. Keep the lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the sound, that it is a voiceless sound, so you don't have to vibrate your vocal cords. Now let's try to say the sound. Khó. Let's practice saying some words with the sound. Khô, khi, khế, khó, khát, khôn, khớp, khai, khéo, không, khù khờ, khắt khe, khôn khéo, khập khiễng, khoa, không, khôn khéo, bằng khánh. The th sound. The th sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word to. Now let's see how to pronounce the th sound. First, tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge to stop the airflow, then pull the tongue back to release it. Your tongue must be tense. Now let's talk about the air sprint. It's very important for the th sound. Stop the airflow with the tip of your tongue, then release it over the tongue with audible friction. Open your mouth slightly. Keep the lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the th sound that it is a voiceless sound, so you don't have to vibrate the vocal cords. Now let's try to say the sound. Th, 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 thu. Let's practice saying some words with the th sound. Tha, thi, thu, thơ, thơm, thôn, thớt, thảm, thắng, thưởng, thập thò, thân thiện, thân thương, thảm thiết, thất thường, thảnh thơi, thật thà, thẳng thắn, thật thà, thường, thua thiệt. The ng sound. The ng sound can occur at the beginning of the word and be spelled by the letter n, g, like in the word ngủ, or can be spelled by the combinations of three letters n, g, h, like in the word nghĩ. On the second part of this video, I'm going to talk about the ng ending, like in the word ong. Now let's see how to pronounce the ng sound. First, back of your tongue is raised towards your throat and press it against the soft palate. And the ng sound is a nasal sound, so you have to block the airflow with the back of your tongue and direct it through your nose. Your mouth is positioned for the vowel that comes next. Your lips are relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the ng sound that it is a voice sound, so you have to vibrate your vocal cords like ng, 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 ngủ, nghĩ, ong. Let's contrast the n, g and the n, g, h combinations. They are exactly the same in pronunciation, but they are different only in orthography. The n, g, h combination is followed by vowels like e, e, and we have some words here like nghĩ, nghe, nghề. The n, g combination is followed by other vowels like a, o, u, u. For example, we have some words like nga, ngắn, ngân, ngó, ngô, ngơ, ngu, người. Now let's try to say some words with the ng sound. First, the ng sound is spelled by the letters n and g. Nga, ngó, ngu, ngon, ngắn, ngựa, ngấm, ngọng, ngượng. Now the ng sound is spelled by the combinations of three letters n, g, h. Nghe, nghi, nghỉ, nghĩ, nghệ, nghìn, nghiền, nghiện, nghi ngờ, nghe ngóng, nghĩ ngợi. Let's talk about the ng endings. When the ng follows vowels like o, o, u, you have to close your mouth at the end of word with puffy cheeks, like ong, In other situations like ang, uong, etc., your mouth is opened at the end of word, like when it occurs at the beginning of the word. Ong, ống, ủng, cũng, mong, trong, không, chồng, nắng, trăng, làng, nâng, nướng, đường, kiêng, chuông, trường, nắng nóng, trông mong, mông lung, công trường, trồng nhung, không thích, nắng nóng. The ñ sound. The ñ sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word nhà, or at the end of the word, like anh. Now let's see how to pronounce the ñ sound. First, tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge to stop the airflow. The ñ sound is a nasal sound, so you have to block the airflow with the tip of the tongue and direct a stream of air through the nose. Your tongue must be tense. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth slightly. Keep your lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the ñ sound, that it is a voice sound, so you have to vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound, like ñ, 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 nhà, anh. Now let's try to say some words with the ñ sound. Nho, như, nhẹ, nhà, nhọn, nhện, nhưng, nhường, nhiều. Now the ñ sound at the end of word. Anh, canh, lạnh, kênh, bệnh, lệnh, nhan nhản, nhanh nhẹn, nhịp nhàng, nhường nhịn, nhộn nhịp. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the ñ ending when it follows by the e vowel. So when the ñ sound follows the e vowel, it is pronounced like the ng. Đỉnh, kính, chính, khinh, thính, mình, lính, đính chính, linh tính, con nhện, nhặt, quả nho, anh, nhớ, nhường nhịn, em, nhé. The f sound. The f sound always occurs at the beginning of the word, like in the word phở. Now let's see how to pronounce the f sound. To pronounce the f sound, your tongue will typically be positioned for the vowel that comes next. The focal point of the f sound is the air stream and the lips. First, release a stream of air over the lower lip with audible friction and lightly press the backside of your lower lip against your upper teeth. The last thing you have to remember about the f sound, that it is a voiceless sound, so you don't have to vibrate your vocal cords. Now let's try to say the sound. Phở. Now let's try to say some words with the f sound. Pha, phà, phở, phim, phổi, phải, phấn, phẳng, phường, phong phú, phi pháp, phân phối, phẳng phiu, phong phanh, phương pháp, phương, phân phối, mỹ phẩm pháp. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.